parking lot. Going for a 12 for a swat. Buzzing all the tails out the pocket. I just hit the lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the pocket.
What's up, EP crew? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and like and subscribe and go check out some more of my affordable videos. Today I'm going to be coming with another affordable slay. Affordable and slayed. Worth it. I'm going to be giving you my 100% honest review on this hair and all the information on where I got it. And I'm also going to be doing all the details about this wig. Well, stay tuned for the rest of the video. I am going to be starting with the ball cap method again just because I want to practice and get better at it. I'm having a hard time with keeping it flat around the ear, so if you guys have any suggestions or comments, please leave them below, because no matter what I do, I just can't get close to my ear to like lay down flat and stay when I cut the lace. I did use Got To Be Glue Freeze Spray to lay it down to keep it where it's at, and I will be using Got To Be Glue hair gel. I don't plan on keeping this wig on more than like 2 days, so Got To Be is perfect for me. I am trying to get the majority of the excess cap off because I don't have a lot of forehead space to work with, and I don't want my wig to be really close to my eyebrows. I would want to wear 25mm lashes while doing this. Now look at this cap stuck to my eyelashes. And I also will be doing a haul on these lashes, and I only paid $2 for them, and my lash haul is going to be coming soon, so I can let you guys know where I get all my affordable lashes from. So stay tuned. I'm just going to be putting some powder foundation on my cap, the same as my skin tone color, to make it blend a little bit better. And I'm coming back in with the Got To Be gel, just spreading it out on the back of my eyebrow razor, doing like thin layers, spreading it out, making it even. This wig is a frontal, so I am going to be putting it across my whole hairline. I did put some foundation on the inside of this cap as well. The wig is very well equipped. It does have 2 combs in the ending of the frontal and then 1 in the back. And I'm just going to pull it up to my hairline where I got that glue where it's now sticky and tacky. Then I'm going to come in with my rat tail comb and flatten out the pieces so it can stick to my hairline. I do not like to cut my lace before I put it on. It just gives me a good view of where I want to cut and how far it is I want to cut back. And it's just a little bit easier when making your hairline look natural. Some of that foundation did seep through the wig, so there is going to be some foundation in the hair, but that's easily fixable, or I can just easily wash it and rub it out when I'm done. And I just want to make sure that it's really flat and that it's really sticking, so you're going to see me keep doing this with the comb like multiple times. And this hairline is super natural. Like, this lace is really good. I'm not sure if it's HD transparent lace, but I will leave all the information down below. I'm just going to cut the ear tabs off because it is just a little too big, a little too much lace for my hairline. And like you guys can see, there is some foundation, but that's nothing much that I can't fix. Now my eyebrow razor is a little dull, so it did make cutting the lace not as easy as the first time. They were only $1, so I recommend buying multiple of them because I really do like cutting the lace with the eyebrow razor much more than the scissors. And the eyebrow razor gives it a more natural cut versus just straight across. It gives it a rigid type of look.
Anytime I slide, the truth is, you just need to cry on me slow. Sorry if I'm doing it. You just need to cry on me slow. Trying to catch a vibe and you're just doing everything it takes to get blown. Let's get blown.
And like I said before, I just don't know what it is by the ears. I just never can get it to lay flat. So I'm going to come back in with some more freeze spray and just to get it to stay down. And for me to be a beginner, this does look really nice. I don't even want to make baby hairs because it looks really natural the way it is. I'm going to come back with my silk rag and use that to hold my hold it down until it dries. And you guys know I love a side part, so I am going to be doing a side part. This lace is only 13 inches by 4, so I can't make it as deep and natural as I want it, but it still looks pretty good. To get it a little bit more natural looking, I did come in with some mousse to lay it down. I didn't want it to be too heavy, so I didn't use any wax or grease. The hair is pretty thin or fine, so I do want it to look as flowy and natural as possible. I'm just gonna flat iron it before I decide to cut it, just to see like what I want it to look like, which I really should have cut it on the mannequin, but I was just too excited, so I just threw it on. It took me forever to find this song, so I'm gonna let you guys enjoy, and then you'll see me at the end of this to have a hair review.
In the lot, told her fuck 12, fuck SWAT, buzzing all the tails out the box. I just hit the lick with the box, had to put the stick in the box. The whole damn field, I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo pills, people trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so, got the cash out. Told them wipe a nigga no, 6 slash. I will never sell my soul, and I can take that, and I really wanna know.
So I love this hair, love this look. Every dollar, every penny, the weight, worth everything. This hair is from a vendor off of AliExpress called OYM, or OM, I think it's pronounced OYM. It is 100% Peruvian hair. Wig is in 12 inches. It already came pre-plucked, already came bleached. It just came already like equipped for you. Like I literally just threw it on and cut the lace. I promise you, like that's all I did. I don't even have nothing bad to say about it. I guess the only thing I have to say about it is that it comes with 2 combs right here, and then it comes with 1 in the back. The combs right here kind of make the wig a little bulky, and the hair is already naturally fine, so it's kind of thin, but it's just really fine, not super thick. I really like that about it as well. It gives it a very natural look. It's just 100% pros, pre-equipped already, under $50. Only thing I did, I might have to take it off and put it on a mannequin to cut it better and to give it a really even bob cut. Come on now, it looks like, look at this. I recommend this hair 100%. I give it a rate of 10 out of 10. Go check this vendor out. Go check this out. It took forever to come. It took like 2.5 weeks for this hair to come because of the coronavirus, or that's just how long they take to get to the United States. That's the only thing. It took forever. I thought they was gonna play me. Vendor wasn't really like communicate until like they knew that I got it. Asked me to give a review on the web. Really keep much of contact in with me or anything like that, so I didn't know if they were boof or they were real. It was on the website, was what made me buy it. I can just say that I love this install. This was the easiest install I've ever done. Just love this hair. Appreciate you guys making it all the way to the end of this video. You guys like, comment, and subscribe, and go check out some more of my affordable videos. It's only right if you made it to the end of this video to subscribe. I have so much more content to push out for you guys, and so much more affordable, just bomb stuff for a very good price. Even down to these lashes. I'm even going to be making a video on affordable lashes, like a haul, so stay tuned for that. Appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my next videos in EPTV.